Breaking news: CapCut has an AI feature that allows you to add interactors such as me. Using a script, you can create all sorts of interesting content. You can even change my voice, appearance, position, and size. These are exciting times. Please subscribe for more content and helpful tips on CapCut features.
How to use CapCut's AI character tool. This is insane. First, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will click on the text icon. I'm going to add a text box into my project and use that to write a script for the AI character. With the text box selected, I can edit the text on the right-hand side of the screen. Now I will click on the AI Characters tab to select my actor. From here I can scroll through all the various options for who I want. Click on the character you want, then click the blue Add button to add them into your project timeline. It will take a few minutes for CapCut to add the character and have them process the script you've written. From here, with the character selected, I can edit the size and position of the character on the screen. If I click on the Script tab, I call Add to the already written script and the character will add the new text into their speech within the project timeline. Once I finish the addition to the script, I will click the OK button and the AI will process the new text to add to the speech. I can also change the voice of the AI character by selecting the voice icon. In this menu I can sample various voices, and once I find the one I like, I will click the Start Reading button to add it into the project. Once it is done processing the character, we'll speak with the new voice for all the previous script and anything else that is added further. You can also change other features of the character, such as their makeup and skin tone. If you want to see another tutorial on that, let me know in the comments section below.
Breaking news: CapCut has an AI feature that allows you to add interactors such as me. Using a script, you can create all sorts of interesting content. You can even change my voice, appearance, position, and size. These are exciting times. Please subscribe for more content and helpful tips on CapCut features.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.